Had a couple people ask how I was setting this up for my live stream. So I've got an EOS R, a Canon EOS R with a 35 mil lens there. It's a 2.0, I think. So it gives a great depth of field. And then I've got my Yeti mic down here, and I've got two big monitors there. And so I've got this audio interface. This is the Scarlett Focusrite. I'll link to this down below as well. The Yeti is an awesome mic if you're doing any kind of podcasting or web stream or doing Zoom calls. It's amazing. I have that camera there, and I only use this for teaching or when I'm recording a YouTube video. And I have a HDMI going out. It's a mini HDMI that then runs to this guy, which is the Elgato Camlink. And so that runs to a USB-C. I have a little USB to USB-C adapter. This little guy runs about $100 on Amazon, and this little adapter is like $5. This mic I think is less than $100 now. So all not terribly expensive, but it does make for really, really good quality. I do have a webcam for kind of quick stuff if I just need to. I'm actually testing two webcams because why not? And I do have a Westcott light over here, so I'm getting some really soft light that kind of just sprays up and gives a bunch of soft light. This is not the way to do lighting if you're a professional videographer. You just laugh at me, but I really pulled this from another thing where we're doing a podcast in our lounge. So I just pulled this off real quick. I just dropped it there and bounced it off the ceiling since I've got all white walls in here, and it works really good. So just so you guys know, pretty easy. The only thing, there's lots of cheaper ways to do that. You don't have to use the Canon EOS R. There's some cheaper cameras out there, but that's what we use for our podcasts and online content, but it works really good. So hopefully that helps some people.